Hi everyone, good morning to all. Welcome back to Google Classroom. In this session, we are going to discuss a new chapter, that is chapter 4, linear equations in two variables. In the chapter polynomials, we already discussed about linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial and cubic polynomial. Okay, a same way linear equation means degree of the variable is 1. Then in this chapter we are going to discuss about linear equations in two variables. Means in a linear equation there are two different variables. Okay, for example 2x plus 3y equal 4. Then generally we have to say linear equation in two variable as in the form ax plus by plus c equal 0. A is the coefficient of x, b is the coefficient of y and c is the constant term. A, b and c are the real numbers and both a and b cannot be 0. That are the conditions. Okay. So ax plus by plus c equals 0 is the general form of linear equations in two variables. Now we have to discuss exercise 4.1. First question. The cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. Write a linear equation in two variables to represent this statement. Take the cost of a notebook to be rupees X and that of a pen to be rupees Y. The cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. Then here we have to write the linear equation in two variables to represent this statement. According to the question, let cost of a notebook equal rupees X and cost of a pen equal rupees Y. Then in the question it is given that cost of a notebook is equal twice. Twice means 2 into cost of a pen. Okay. So cost of a notebook is X, that we can write, equal 2 into cost of a pen is Y. That is X equal to Y. 2 into Y we can express as 2Y. Then here we have to express this as linear equation in two variables. So we can express this as X minus 2Y plus 0 equals 0. That means this 2y we have to transpose to LHS. So here plus 2y become minus 2y. Then here no constant, so we can write it as 0. So plus 0, that is equal 0. Ax plus by plus c equals 0. Here ax plus by is x minus 2y. So b is negative 2. That symbol also we have to take. Otherwise we can express this as x minus 2y equals 0. Both are correct. Okay. So here a is the coefficient of x, that is 1. Here no number means it is 1. Then here by is minus 2y. So b is minus 2. Coefficient of y is minus 2. That symbol also we should take. Right? Exercise 4.1, question number 2. Express the following linear equations in the form ax plus by plus c equals 0 and indicate the values of a, b and c in each case. There are 8 sub-questions, that all we have to discuss now. First sub-question is 2x plus 3y equal 9.35 bar. 35 bar means 5 is repeating. That means 9.35555 is the value. Okay. So here we have to write this as general form of linear equation in two variables. That means ax plus by plus c equals 0. Here the term with x and term with y is in the LHS. But constant term 9.35 bar is on RHS. So here we have to transpose this to LHS and get RHS as 0. So here we can rewrite it as 2x plus 3y minus 9.35 bar equal 0. When we transpose positive 9.35 to LHS, that become minus. Now here no other digits or number, so we can write it as 0. Now this is the form ax plus by plus c equals 0. Then we have to write the variables a. Values of a, b and c. So a is the coefficient of x, that is 2. Then b is the coefficient of y, that is positive 3, that means 3 itself. Then constant term, that symbol also we have to take. So minus 9.35 bar. Sub question is x minus y by 5 minus 10 equals 0. Here all the terms with x, y and constant are on LHS itself. But we have to write this as, rewrite it as x minus this y into 1 by 5, right? Y by 5 we can rewrite as y into 1 by 5 minus 10 equals 0. Then we can rewrite this as x minus 1 by 5 y minus 10 equals 0. Now this is the standard form or general form ax plus by plus c equals 0. Then the values of a is a, b and c we have to write. A is the coefficient of x. Here no number, so we can write it as 1. Okay, no number means it is 1. Then minus 1 by 5y. So which is the coefficient of y? Negative 1 by 5. Okay. Take the symbol also. Symbol 2. We have to take the symbol 2. Then c is the constant term, that is negative 10. Symbol also we have to take. So a is 1, b is negative 1 by 5 and c is negative 10. This is the third sub question. Negative 2x plus 3y equals 6. Here the terms with x and y are on LHS itself, but constant is on RHS, that we have to transpose to LHS. Okay. Then negative 2x plus 3y minus 6. Okay. Negative 2x plus 3y minus 6 equals 0. When we transpose positive 6 to LHS, that become minus 6. Then there is no other number, so we can write 0. So this is the form ax plus by plus c equals 0. Now we have to write the values of a, b and c. A is the coefficient of x. Which is the coefficient of x here? Negative 2. Coefficient of y is positive 3. Constant term is negative 6. So a is negative 2, b is 3 and c is negative 6. This is the fourth sub question, x equal 3y. So here variable term with variable y is on RHS, that we have to transpose to LHS. Then there is no constant term, so we can write it as plus 0. Now RHS becomes 0. So x minus 3y. Positive 3y become minus 3y. Okay. Then no constant, so plus 0. That is equal. Now there is no term on RHS, so 0 will be. So x minus 3y plus 0 equals 0. So a equal what? 1. No number is there as coefficient of x, means coefficient of x is 1. Then b is what? Negative 3. Coefficient of y. Then c is constant term, that is 0. You can write this as x minus 3y equals 0 also. That is also correct. Okay. Anyway you can express. Fifth sub question, 2x equal negative 5y. So here we have to transpose this term with y to LHS. There is no constant term, so we can write it as 0. So 2x, this minus 5y become plus 5y. When we transpose this to LHS, then there is no constant term, so we can write it as 0. That is equal 0. Or this same answer we can express as 2x plus 5y equals 0 also. Anyway, a is the coefficient of x, that is 2. B is the coefficient of y, that is 5. And constant term C is 0. So A is 2, B is 5 and C is 0. Sixth sub question, 3x plus 2 equals 0. There is no term with the variable y. So we can rewrite this as 3x plus 0y plus 2 equal 0. This is plus 2 that we should write. Then there is no term with y. So simply we can write it as plus 0y. Then this 3x equal 0. Okay. Then A is the coefficient of x, that is 3. B is the coefficient of y, that is 0. And C is the constant term, that is 2. So A is 3, B is 0 and C is 2. Seventh sub question, y minus 2 equals 0. Here no term with variable x. So we can rewrite this as 0x. This is positive y, so we can write plus y. Then this is minus 2, so minus 2 equals 0. Now this is the general form of the linear equation in the form ax plus by plus c equals 0. So the values of a, b and c we have to write. So coefficient of x is 0. Coefficient of y is 1. There is no number with y means 1. Then coefficient of c or constant term c is minus 2. There is no term with the variable x means its coefficient becomes 0. But there is no number with the y, that means coefficient is 1. Okay. Then positive y means coefficient will be 1. Minus y means coefficient will be negative 1. Okay, that is the difference. So here a is 0, b is 1 and c is negative 2. The last question, sub question 8. 5 equal 2x. Here no term with variable y and the term with variable x is on RHS. So we have to transpose that. So 2x become minus 2x. Then there is no term with variable y, so we can write 0y. Then here the constant is on LHS itself. So we can write that as plus 5 itself. Positive 5 means plus 5. So equal 0. Now a is the coefficient of x, negative 2. B is the coefficient of y, that is 0. And C is the constant term, that is 5. So negative 2, 0 and 5. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.